Okay, how's it again, folks? Yeah, I got to cross on the other side here, and there's no flooding in the shopping center. That's what I heard. You know how rumors are. They grow by the minute. Sorry for that noise. Walk by this semi truck at McDonald's. Texaco station. Hey, while we're here, we'll check out the cost of gas in Manoa. I got some friends in Texas. If they make it this long through my video, they gotta pay like $3.50, and over here it looks like it says $5.09. Yep, that's the cost of gas. $5.09. Okay, I did a video. Actually, it was my very last video because it's been raining for so long. Standing over in this side by Manoa Stream. So we'll go over there again, check it out. Tow truck noise. Yeah, really cloudy and rainy. Glad it's not windy. Like I said, I'd be getting really soaked. Actually, it stopped raining. I just noticed. Wow. Okay, here we are. Wow. Okay, you guys can compare my other video that I just did with this and see how much more water there is. A lot more water. Well, just like I did before, we'll cross the street and check it out. As soon as it's safe. I was taught as a young man, you look both ways before you cross the street. Okay. It's safe. Okay, we gotta go quick. This guy's coming. Shoots, bro. Okay. Yeah, a lot of water. Well, I'll scan around. You guys can see beautiful Manoa with all the clouds, overcast. It did stop raining though, so I didn't need my umbrella anymore. So anyway, I guess that's it for today. We'll see y'all later, and take it easy. Bye.